Good day, Sir TJ. We are the Group9, and now we are presenting our final project. Our project name is Arduino Game, Road Dash. In this project, we are tasked by our professor to create a game using Autodesk Tinkercad online software. And inside this software, by creating a circuit and using the Arduino component and any other components available, we should make a game, and the next presenter that will discuss about the game is Carl Sarmiento. Next page, please.
So I'm Carl Sarmiento. I'll be discussing about the game. So our team named the game Road Dash. Is this racing game where the player controls the car that is on the run, and the player should avoid the upcoming obstacle. And the only controls here is clicking the switch. So next.
Uh, Hello, I am Ali James Lazada, and for our inspiration of this project, our inspiration in creating this final project is creating a game that we wanted to play. Because of this, we also wanted to create a game based on our knowledge that we acquired and how we can put it to a test on this Arduino final project. And with this, we can reach even greater skills of creating a game related to Arduino. Okay.
So next are the parts of the output or the materials that we use in creating our game. So the parts that we use are Arduino Uno. This board is used as an easy-to-use programmable open source microcontroller board that can control relays, LEDs, servos, motors as an output. Next. So Tinkercad is the software that we use in creating our software. This is a free, easy-to-use web app, and it equips the next generation of designers and engineers with foundational skills in creating design circuits.
So breadboard. Breadboard small. A breadboard is used to build test circuits quickly before finalizing any circuit design. Next. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is a type of position sensor. They are used to measure displacement in any direction. Next.
The LCD screen was used on this project to display the logo and the game that the group created. Next page. Resistor. The resistor were used to limit the amount of current going to certain components in the circuit, such as LEDs and integrated circuits. Next page.
So the piezo speaker. The piezo speaker was used in order to produce different sounds and music while playing the game.
So next is the slide switch. The slide switch in Arduino moves the slider of the switch from the open position on to the closed position. We use this in our project for the move function for our main character. So next is for the demonstration.
So for the demonstration of our game, first we headed to the Tinkercad software. As you can see on the Tinkercad, you will see our materials used such as the LCD, piezo speaker, slide switch, and the potentiometer. So for the codes,
So for the code, in our code, the first function whenever we started the simulation to run is the setup. So in this code, we have the loading screen. The loading screen, then after that, the music function. The music function is our music theme before playing the game. Then the block The block function is the function for the sprites to function in game. The code inside it is for our main character moves and the condition if the main character collides with the tree sprite in game. So this is the code. Then let's proceed with the simulation. The sequence should be our splash screen first with our logo, loading screen, music theme, and then the game. Wait, let's reset the simulation. So this is our game. So the player needs to avoid colliding with the tree sprite. And as we can see in the corner of the screen is the number, which is our score. It goes up if we successfully avoided the tree sprite. So let's check what will happen if we collided with the sprite. So if we collided with the sprite, that means it is game over, and then the score and the highest score will be noted in the code. So we can reset this by moving. Then the high score will be saved in the code. So let's see. So as we can see, even if we die, the high score will still retain here. So let's go back again to the present PowerPoint and let's proceed with our personal reflections.
So I am created economy and reflections. After finishing the project, I'm so grateful to have this group because they are all hardworking and can apply the time management to be able to finish the project. Also, with better teamwork and helping each other, we will have a better result. With the new learning I have gained in this course, I was able to improve and develop my skills.
So doing this project made me look back to my childhood. I used to play pixelated games like Pokemon using the Game Boy Color I owned before. I had fun while coding our game in Arduino, not just because of the nostalgic feeling it had, but also because I've always wanted to be a game developer.
So, I'm Dan Bernardara. In creating this project, I have improved my skills in creating a game with Arduino with the use of the Tinkercad software. I had fun creating this project with my group as we were able to create a fully functional game. By collaborating with my group mates, we were able to finish our project on time.
So after doing this final project, I have learned and reflected on the things and was taught to me by a professor, and I put it to good use on this project, which me and my group mates work so hard to finish and make a successful game in Arduino.
So after our group created this project, I realized that learning Arduino and practicing it on Tinkercad is really useful because I see many uses of Arduino language that can be applicable in real life situation. Like when I want to program a piece of hardware in a motorcycle or program a toy. Using this knowledge and learnings will be very important to my career path. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.